Please stand as Miss Shichetti's room leads us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please stay standing for a moment of silence. Please be seated.
Hello, Davenport. Welcome to this week's Hornet Buzz. We hope you have been enjoying the buzz so far this year. Let's get started with Judith and Brady with the Veterans Day Assembly.
On Friday, November 11th, the whole district went to the high school for Veterans Day Assembly. They talked about our bus driver Tim Weechick on how he won an award from the president. Tom Zobrist was our guest speaker. The band played the military songs. It was a great day to honor our veterans.
That was a great assembly. It was nice to honor our veterans. Next up, Nella and Zola with Flashlight Friday.
Hi, I'm Zola, and for the past few weeks, Mrs. Bear's class and Mrs. Doty's class have been getting together to do Flashlight Friday. Flashlight Friday is when the kindergartners and the fourth graders get paired up and the lights go off, so they use flashlights to read. Kindergartners really enjoy reading with the fourth graders. Bye!
Hi, I'm Zola, and I'm here with
Sebastian.
We were going to talk about Flashlight Friday. What do you do during Flashlight Friday?
I like the books and I read them to my fourth graders.
What is your favorite part?
That I like everything and my flashlight is bright.
Do you enjoy this?
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Those kindergartners are great readers. But next up, Stella and Adley with tonight's movie night.
On Friday, November 18th, we will have the PTO movie night. Davenport students, family, and friends are all invited. The feature movie will be Bad Guys. Doors open at 6 o'clock and the movie starts at 6:30. There will be popcorn, water, and glow necklaces sold for $1 each. The movie's in the Davenport gym. Also, thanks for PTO for putting on this fun event. I hope you like the movie. Bye!
Guess who?
Mrs. Wright. Good morning. We are here with Mrs. Wright, whose job is a third grade teacher at Davenport Elementary. Thank you for joining us, Mrs. Wright. Where did you go to college?
I went to Eureka College here in Eureka, Illinois, and I got a bachelor's degree in elementary education with a minor in art.
Tell us about your family.
So I am an only child, actually, so it's just me, my mom, and my dad, and then I have a boyfriend that I've been with for the past 10 years, and his name is Cody.
Do you have any pets?
I do not, but I'm really hoping that soon we can get a dog.
Why did you decide to be a teacher?
I decided to be a teacher because when I was really, really little, I had some teachers that were amazing and they did everything that they could to make sure that I felt loved and cared for. And so I decided that I wanted to be that when I grew up.
What interests do you pursue outside of school?
I love art. I especially like to paint. And so every once in a while I'll paint a canvas, and I like to sing too, but I don't do that in front of crowds very often.
Who is your favorite teacher in school?
My favorite teacher in elementary school was my 5th grade teacher. Her name was Miss Klaus. She was an amazing teacher and really showed me how much she loved and cared for her students. And then I had lots of teachers in high school and in college that really helped me grow into the person that I am today.
If you won the lottery, what would you do?
I think the first thing that I would do is make sure that my grandparents and my parents are set. I would give them as much as I could to make sure that they were happy for a really long time. And then I'd probably try to pay off my house loan that I just signed on for.
You're a new addition to the current box. What color would you be?
I would be a bright sunflower yellow because that's my absolute favorite color.
Thank you for letting me interview.
Thank you for interviewing me.
Mrs. Wright's family.
What is third grade's favorite Thanksgiving food? Turkey, mashed potatoes, sweet potatoes, or cranberry sauce? Turkey got 60%, mashed potatoes got 34%, sweet potatoes got 0%, and cranberry sauce got 5%. Turkey wins!
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is
Macy's Day Parade, football, spending time with family, or playing board games.
My favorite Thanksgiving tradition is watching the Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade.
Macy's Day Parade wins!
Hey Davenport students, last week Mrs. Shetty's students made these Native American regions reports, which are about the Native American regions, about their location, food, housing, and more. These projects look amazing. Great job, Mrs. Shetty's class.
Hi Davenport, test your temperatures are seriously dropping. Today it's going to be partly cloudy with a high of 26 and a low of 18. Tomorrow it's going to be cloudy with a high of 29 and a low of 11. On Sunday it will be sunny with a high of 33 and a low of 26. So kiddos, what do snowmen like best about school?
I don't know what.
Snow and tell.
Tonight at 6:30, movie night, The Bad Guys.
November 23rd through 25th, Thanksgiving break, no school. November 30th, 2:10 dismissal, have fun. Hi Davenport, it's Adley. Today is National Mickey Mouse Day. Did you know Mickey didn't speak his first words until the 9th movie called The Carnival Kid? His first words were hot dog. Next up, Bristol.
Hi, it's Bristol, and today is National Apple Cider Day. I love apple cider so much, I drank it this morning.
Bye.
the V, and that's all, folks.